In the second part of our series on HashKey, the 2024 crypto unicorn, we focus on the significance of the unicorn status. Achieving a valuation of $1.2 billion, HashKey joins the elite club of unicorns, symbolizing not just financial success, but also innovation and market impact. This segment examines what unicorn status means in the tech and crypto world, and how HashKey's journey reflects the growing confidence and interest in the blockchain and cryptocurrency sectors. Concluding our series on HashKey, Part 5 focuses on the future implications of HashKey's unicorn status in the crypto world. We discuss the potential pathways for HashKey following its significant investment and high valuation. This includes potential expansions, new partnerships, and innovations that could redefine the blockchain and cryptocurrency landscape. The episode also reflects on how HashKey's journey is indicative of the growing maturity and potential of the crypto market, setting a precedent for future companies in this dynamic and evolving industry. Part 3 of our series on HashKey, 2024's first crypto unicorn, explores the impact of the $100 million investment. This infusion of capital is set to accelerate HashKey's growth, fueling innovation and potentially expanding its global reach. We discuss how this investment will enable HashKey to develop new products, enhance services, and possibly enter new markets, reinforcing its position as a leader in the crypto and blockchain industry. In this video, we chronicle the rise of HashKey, a standout in the 2024 crypto market, achieving a unicorn status with a $1.2 billion valuation. HashKey has become a symbol of success and innovation in the crypto world. We delve into the details of their $100 million investment and how it catalyzed their growth. The video also explores HashKey's contributions to the blockchain and crypto sectors, and how its success reflects the evolving landscape of digital finance. We discuss the potential future developments for HashKey and the ripple effect its success could have on the broader crypto market. This video focuses on the significant impact of HashKey's achievement in becoming a crypto unicorn in 2024. We examine how HashKey's $100 million investment and $1.2 billion valuation signify a major milestone in the crypto and blockchain industry. The video highlights HashKey's innovative strategies and services that have contributed to its rapid growth and success. Additionally, we discuss the implications of HashKey's rise for the future of cryptocurrency, including potential market trends, investor confidence, and the increasing integration of blockchain technology in various sectors. Explore the pioneering journey of HashKey in the 2024 crypto market in this video. As the first unicorn of the year, HashKey's rise to a $1.2 billion valuation marks a significant achievement. We delve into the factors contributing to this success, including their strategic focus on blockchain technology and innovative crypto solutions. The video also sheds light on the broader impact of HashKey's success on the crypto industry, discussing how it sets new standards for innovation and growth in the sector. We also speculate on the future directions HashKey might take in the evolving world of digital finance. This video presents HashKey's 2024 achievement as a new benchmark in crypto innovation. We analyze how HashKey's successful $100 million investment round and its ascent to a $1.2 billion valuation exemplify the dynamic nature of the crypto market. The video explores HashKey's role in advancing blockchain technology and its impact on the cryptocurrency sector. We also discuss the broader implications of HashKey's success for the industry, including how it influences investor perspectives and drives innovation in digital finance. The story of HashKey is a beacon for future crypto enterprises, showcasing the potential for growth and innovation in this rapidly evolving field. Dive into an in-depth analysis of HashKey's remarkable achievement in 2024. This video provides a comprehensive look at how HashKey secured a monumental $100 million investment, elevating its valuation to $1.2 billion and earning the prestigious title of a crypto unicorn. We explore the strategic business decisions, technological innovations, and market trends that contributed to HashKey's success. The video also examines the implications of this achievement for the broader crypto and blockchain industry, discussing how HashKey's growth reflects the evolving landscape of digital finance. the increasing investor confidence in crypto markets, and the potential for new breakthroughs in blockchain technology. Additionally, we consider the future prospects of HashKey, speculating on how it might leverage its newfound status to influence the global financial ecosystem and drive further innovation in the crypto space. Join us in a detailed exploration of HashKey's strategic triumph in becoming the first crypto unicorn of 2024. This video delves into the nuances of HashKey's journey, analyzing how $100 million investment catapulted its valuation to $1.2 billion. We examine the key factors behind this success, including HashKey's innovative approach to blockchain technology, its effective market strategies, and the role of investor confidence in the crypto sector. The video also sheds light on the potential future trajectory of HashKey, considering its impact on global financial markets and the evolving landscape of cryptocurrency and digital finance. We explore the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for HashKey, and what its unicorn status means for the future of blockchain innovation and investment trends in the crypto industry. This video unveils the success story of HashKey, the first crypto unicorn of 2024. We take a closer look at how HashKey's strategic vision and innovative practices in blockchain technology led to a groundbreaking $100 million investment, boosting its valuation to $1.2 billion. The video provides an in-depth analysis of HashKey's business model, its key technological advancements in the crypto space, and the factors that attracted such significant investor interest. We also discuss the wider impact of HashKey's success on the cryptocurrency market, including how it reflects the growing maturity of the sector and sets new benchmarks for innovation and investment. Additionally, we explore the future prospects for HashKey, considering its potential role in shaping the trajectory of global digital finance and blockchain technology. In this video, we decode the success story of HashKey, the standout crypto unicorn of 2024. We take an in-depth look at how HashKey's strategic initiatives and technological innovations in the blockchain realm led to a significant $100 million investment, catapulting its valuation to $1.2 billion. The video highlights HashKey's journey in the cryptocurrency sector, focusing on its business acumen, cutting-edge solutions, and the investor confidence it has built. We also discuss the impact of HashKey's success on the broader cryptocurrency market, considering how it exemplifies the sector's growth and potential, and what it means for the future of blockchain technology and digital finance on a global scale. Embark on an insightful journey into HashKey's 2024 breakthrough as a crypto unicorn. This video delves into the strategic milestones and innovative breakthroughs that propelled HashKey to secure a $100 million investment and achieve a $1.2 billion valuation. We explore the key aspects of HashKey's success in the blockchain and cryptocurrency sectors, including its pioneering technologies, market foresight, and the robust investor confidence it garnered. The video also examines the broader implications of HashKey's achievement for the crypto industry, highlighting its role in setting new standards for innovation and investment, and its potential influence on future market trends and global digital finance strategies.